In this video, I'm going to give you 5 quick tips on how to get your event space in 2024. Hi y'all, I hope you had a great start to the year, and I'm so excited to bring this video to you. But first off, I want to say a big shout out to all the individuals and all the friends that I've helped over the year of 2023 across the United States to open their own event space business. It's been such an amazing experience. I've helped over 15 families get into their own event space business. Here are a few of them, and I am so elated to have been able to provide this service because these are brand new individuals that wanted to start this business, and I'm just blessed to have been a blessing to these families. So that being said, y'all, my 2024 goal is to double that number. So this is going to be an amazing year, to say the least, that I'm going to be able to ramp up what I've been able to do in my mentorship program. But I just want to make it very clear that I'm only taking on people who are serious, right? Get information. It's great to research, but at the end of the day, my goal in this mentorship is for my mentees to actually get their keys and start the business. Okay, guys? So that is what we do over here in the Tanisha Teaches mentorship. We get keys, right? So if that's you, if you are interested in the event space business, in the event space world, and you're seriously want to get into your space in 2024, text mentor to this number right here so you can get on a call with one of our teammates and see if you are eligible for the program. I only accept a few, so if you're serious, go ahead and text that number. Without further ado, let's get right into the video because I have some amazing tips. Like I said, I have 5 for you. Make sure you stick all the way through because they're all very helpful to get you started on this journey. Okay, guys? So the first thing you're going to want to do, number 1, is going to be in order to get your space in 2024, you're going to have to do location analysis, right? You're going to have to do some research now in your area and see, first of all, what areas are zoned for event space, right? Write down zoning. Remember what I always say, y'all, I'm going to bring this back with me. Note takers and money makers. So make sure you're taking notes. You're not just watching me, enjoying this as a viewer. You're taking notes, all right? So you should be doing market research, right? Look at the cities to see which cities or areas around you are zoned for event space, or what we would call assemblies in the industry. Okay, the next thing you would want to do in that same category of market location research is seeing how many event spaces are in that area, right? How many event spaces are there, and what kind of services are they offering in your area to make sure that you can bring something to the market and be a valuable event space. Okay, so first is market research in regards to the location. The second thing is this is going to be number 2. Okay, guys, a business plan development. It's a best practice across all genres in regards to business to have a business plan when you are starting out. We actually do that in the mentorship in regards to crafting a business plan that is tailored to your business. But in the very beginning, you could be doing this right now, right? A business plan simply lays out what's going to be the details of your business from the very beginning all the way to the end, right? In regards to your startup costs, your marketing costs, the demographic that you're going to be offering the business to, right? Your day-to-day costs, your profit and losses, right? What's your projected income or your projected net gross. All of those things are inside of this particular business plan. And y'all, it is 2024 and information is so easy to get to. So if you are not sure about how to create a business plan, you can look it up. You can hire individuals on Fiverr or Upwork to do that for you, so you can get it done. Don't let these things stop you. Okay, all right, let's go on to number 3. All right, number 3 is you're going to be doing market research. I like to talk about this extensively in the mentorship in regards to like how to get information from other businesses that are doing the same thing you're doing in your community or around your potential business area, right? So you're going to want to see what they're offering in regards to their pricing, their value, their setup, all of the information, because at the end of the day, guys, you're bringing something new to the market. So you don't want to be bringing something that is too low of a value that people are not going to be interested, right? Or too high of a value that you blow yourself out of the market and no one's even going to want to book with you. Okay, so how do you get that? You have to do market research and you have to check on other venues to make sure you're in the ballpark of what they're offering in regards to pricing and items that clients can get at the venue. So there's different ways you can do it. You can literally call them up, hey, how you doing? I'm, be a potential client for them, ask questions, inquire, or you can literally say, hey, I'm looking to open an event space. I just wanted to know the ins and outs of the business in regards to, your pricing, and see either way, what works for you. But market research is super important so that you can have a starting point for your business to know what value to add in regards to pricing and packaging and things to offer at your venue. Okay, let's go on to number 4. All right, number 4 is a really great tip, y'all. It's a really great tip to make sure that you are, like I said, marketable in the marketplace as a new venue. You need to design your venue in a way that it is marketable to a multitude of potential events, right? So number 4 is to have a flexible design, right? You do not necessarily want your space to be coined as the little girl party venue, right? You're not going to have pink walls and purple chandeliers unless that's your thing, right? But if you want to be a versatile venue where you're able to have a wedding on a Saturday and on Monday have a corporate event, then you need to have your space to be extremely versatile. Versatile means that you should be able to see, clients should be able to walk up into your space and see it as a blank canvas, right? Anything could happen in there. It could be a kid's party on a Thursday, and it could be a 70th birthday all black party on a Sunday, or it could actually be a church on Sunday morning. Okay, guys? So it needs to be versatile in the design. And yes, we have our favorite colors. We have the things that we like, but let's keep that to our home, right? Not to the business, because we want to make sure we are able to serve as many people and as many different types of events at our venue as possible. Okay? All right. Thank you so much for sticking around. If you've stuck around this whole time, make sure you give me a thumbs up, because you already know how YouTube does. If there's any questions you have about the event space world or things that you need to know, make sure you write them in the comments below so I can go ahead and make more videos like this so that you get your questions answered and we get you to the goal of getting your event space. Okay, guys, here's number 5. Right, this is number 5. I think I left this as the last one because I think it's one of the most important ones on this list, but you need to know about your licenses, right? Number 5 is licenses and compliance. You need to know what is required per your city, per your state, per your county, okay? And some states, I've only heard about 1 or 2 that require you to have a liquor license to have your space. Okay, so you just need to be aware of what is required for your city to open this business so you can be legally open and not have any worries worries from the city coming to shut you all down or fine you or anything like that. So it's super important to know what licenses are required, what insurances you need to cover liabilities, and to make sure that you're a compliant business in your city and you won't have any issues from the compliance department. Okay, guys? So those are my 5 tips to get you started in 2024 of what you need to do to open your event space. Listen, this is the year of you getting what you want out of life. Okay, guys? Make sure you know that you can do whatever you want to do. All you have to do is think it and you can become it. Okay, guys? So until further ado, I hope you have a blessed day, a blessed week, a blessed month, and a blessed year. And I'll see you soon.